All right, the last shapes that we get to look at for surface area and volume is a sphere. Now, with the cone, I kind of walked you through how to find surface area of a cone's formula. And I kind of showed you where it came from. But with a sphere, it's going to be a little bit over your head to try and show you how to get the surface area of a cone. So I'm just going to tell you what it is. So surface area of a sphere. How you do it is you take 4 times pi r squared. And a lot of times when I tell people that, they're like, well, it's just 4 circles. That makes sense. And if you want to kind of think of it like that, you can, so that you can remember it. But it kind of is a little bit more complicated as to why that is the surface area. But yes, we have our circle here, and it's getting times by 4. So 4 pi r squared. So if we were finding surface area of this blue sphere down here, we would take 4, then times pi times 22 squared. So grabbing a calculator, you would get 4 times 3.14 times 22 squared. So you get 6,079.04, rounded to the nearest hundredth. And because it's surface area, it would be centimeters squared. Okay, and then, oh, I just realized this is like the same one over here. Oops. We'll just get rid of that. Maybe. Oh man. Okay, we'll leave them there. Okay, so then if we are finding volume of a sphere, again, I'm just going to kind of tell you what the formula is. This one is the one that's a little more complicated to tell you where it comes from, but again, it's a formula that is just good to memorize. We're going to go 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, so volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. So if I'm finding volume of this blue sphere, I would just plug this in the formula and go 4/3 times pi times 22 cubed. A lot of times in years past, biggest thing with these two formulas is making sure you've got the squared on the surface area and the cubed on the volume. So if we go 4/3 pi r cubed, I get a giant number here, 44,579.63 centimeters cubed. Now again, I think on your assignment, I probably won't have you label on your test, which we are taking on Thursday. I will probably have a spot where you will have to choose whether it's squared or cubed or just centimeters. So make sure that we are paying attention that surface area is squared and volume is cubed. Those are really the only 2 new formulas. I think on your assignment though, you might have some cones and cylinders and spheres, or yes, of course, spheres, prisms, pyramids. So just be watching whether or not I am asking you for surface area or volume. And if you need to write down these formulas and the other ones along with it, they are definitely something that you can use on your test on Thursday too. Might as well have them written down. If you have any questions, let me know. And I think that's about it.